morning students. Previous class till exercise 9A I have explained through the documents. Now we have to go for next our topic, that is angle formed by transversal line. Means in the lines and angle, one definition is transversal line. Just you see here, if two lines lying in the plane and one third one line that is intersect both the line, that is this line is called transversal line of these both line. Maybe these both line may be parallel or maybe not parallel, that depends on situation. So just you see here in the L1 line, L1 and L2, these are, it is not compulsory it is parallel only, but one T line which are both are in both places, they are intersect this point and this point. So this line is called transversal line. Okay. After then, if transversal line intersect two lines, then form three types of angle. Just you see here. First one, alternative angles. So alternative angle, which one is called alternative angles? So same figure I have drawn here also. So this L1 and L2, two lines are there and one transversal line, that is third one T. So this angle and this angle is called alternative angle. Okay, means it is inside the angle. So two types of alternative angle also are there. One is alternative interior angle and another maybe alternative exterior angle. So this one is called angle 1 and angle 2 is called angle 1 comma angle 2 are alternative interior angle. Alternative interior angle. Okay. After that, if you will see in this diagram only, so this one, this angle and this angle is called alternative exterior angle. So just I will take name here 3 and this one angle 4. So we can say angle 3 comma angle 4 are alternative exterior angle. Alternative exterior angle. Okay. Alternative exterior angle. First one is called angle 1 pair is called alternative interior angle. Angle 3 and 4 are called alternative exterior angle. After that, next angle is corresponding pair of angles is corresponding angles. So in this here L1 and L2 and one transversal line is there T. So if this above this angle and this line and between this both angle is called corresponding angle. Okay, which one side, or maybe another type also this one, this side and this side is called, this one also is called corresponding angle. So angle x comma angle y are corresponding angle. Angle x comma, so many types of 4 pairs of corresponding angles are there. So one pair this one and one again 2 pair this side also, this one and this angle and this angle. So these are called corresponding angle. Okay, corresponding angles. So these are, the angles will be equal if lines are parallel. Okay, if this line L1 and L2 will be parallel, then alternative interior angle both will be equal and alternative exterior also will be equal. And corresponding angle, if L1 and L2 will be parallel, then transversal line is there, then x, y, this angle will be also equal. Corresponding angle also equal if line will be parallel, then otherwise not. So angle x comma angle y are corresponding angles. Okay, next one, co-interior angles. This one is co-interior angles. Co-interior angle means inside the diagram only, inside below this angle and above this line, below this line and above this line, both angle is one side only after transversal line. Then this both angle is called co-interior angle. If line is parallel L1 and L2, then sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Always be remembered. So angle P comma angle Q combined is called co-interior angle. Okay, co-interior angles. And if we will take above the line or below the line L1 or L2, this angle and one side, so these are called co-exterior angle. Just we will take M and this one N. So angle M comma angle N are co-exterior angle. Co-exterior angle we can say. So these are the pair of angles which will be formed by two line and one transversal line. Maybe these both line will be parallel. It depends on situation, because most of the cases we will study in this chapter. If lines are parallel, then transversal line is there, then we will form alternative interior angle, alternative exterior angle. Sometimes we will use corresponding angle. Sometimes we will use sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. If line is parallel, then otherwise no. Okay, now we will go for our next self-practice 9B, that is based on this topic only. Okay, just first of all read the question number first, what is given in that. So in the first question, name the pair of angles marked as A for alternative, B for corresponding, C for co-interior. So just you see in the first A, here two line L1 and L2, this one is given, and one transversal line T is given. It forms this angle, angle 1 and angle 2. So these both angle is called alternative interior angle. So we will write down here A. Okay. So answer will become A. In place of alternative interior angle, we have to write down A. B part I have left for you. C part, just you see in this. Here two line again and one transversal line. This one L1 and L2, and this one is T, transversal line. Okay. One side is their angle, and one angle is above the line and below the line. So both angle is called co-interior angle. So we will write down here answer C, co-interior angle. Okay. Same in the E part also is there. Here one side is given. So these are called co-interior angle. And C, F. Before that T part I have left for you. Now we have to do F and G. So in the G part, angle 1 and angle 2, here line L1 and this one L2, and this one is transversal line is given. Now we have to say angle 1 and angle 2 either co-interior, alternative or corresponding. Which one is there? So we can say both angle is one side, and one is above the line and one is another is also above the line and one side is there. So these are called corresponding angle. So we will write down here in place of corresponding angle we will write down B. So in place of corresponding angle we will write down B. Okay. Now in the question number 2, we have to name corresponding angle. Diagram is given. So which pair is formed corresponding angle and which pair is formed alternative angle and which pair will form co-interior and which pair will form vertically opposite angle. Okay. So here just you see for the A corresponding angle. So this one angle 1 and 3 is just write down here angle 1 comma angle 3 one pair. Another pair angle 5 comma 6 7 angle 5 comma angle 7, and next pair will be 2 and 4 angle 2 comma angle 4, and next pair is angle 6 and 7 comma angle 8 7 8. Oh, so these are the corresponding angle. Okay. After that alternative angles. So in the B part we have to write down alternative angles. So alternative angle will be this one. 2 and 7 will be alternative angle. Angle 2 comma angle 7 or angle 3 comma angle 6. These are the alternative angle. And if you want you can write alternative exterior also. So 1 and 8. Angle 1 comma angle 8 will be alternative angle. Angle 5 comma angle 4 means angle 4 comma angle 5 are alternative angle. So these are the alternative angle, pair of alternative angle. Next C, co-interior angle. We have to write down co-interior angle. So co-interior will be 2 comma 3 and 6 comma 7. Only two pair will become. So angle 2 comma angle 3 are co-interior angle. Angle 6 comma angle 7 are co-interior angle. Okay. Now we have to write down vertically opposite angle in the D part. Vertically opposite angle. So in vertically opposite already it has came in the previous exercise only. So this one, if two lines, one line and second line, they are intersect, they will form two pair of vertically opposite angle. So these one we call vertically opposite angle to each other, angle x comma angle y, or we can say this one is P and this one is Q. So these are the vertically opposite angle. Okay, so here also these are angle 1 comma angle 6 are vertically opposite angle. So just write down angle 1 comma angle 6 and angle 2 comma angle 5. Angle 2 comma angle 5 are vertically opposite angle. And here also two pair 3 comma 8. Angle 3 comma angle 8 are vertically opposite angle, and angle 4 comma angle 7. Angle 4 comma angle 7 are vertically opposite angle. So four pair of vertically opposite angle are there. Now in the question number 3rd, just read the question number 3rd. What we have to write down here? Here English letter is given F. Name of the type of pair of angles shown in letter. So just you see here. This line is corresponding to this line is, and this line is called transversal line. This one is L1, L2 and this one is T. So these are called corresponding angles. So we will write down here, it will form corresponding angle. Okay. We will write down here corresponding angle. After then corresponding angles. In the B part Z, letter Z is there. So this one is L1 and this one is L2 and this line is called transversal line. This one is T. So this angle will form alternative angle or alternative interior angle. So alternative angle. So just write down here alternative angles. Okay. And letter C, it has written like this. So this one is L1 and this one is L2 and this one is transversal line T. So it will form co-interior angle. Okay. So we will write down here co-interior angle. Co-interior angles. Okay. So like that we have to do. Till question number 3rd, I have explained each and every question. Just whatever I have left, just try yourself. Okay. Next video I will explain next topic and next exercise. That's all.